two moths like mating in front of me. And I'm already scared of moths. Like, can you not scar me forever, please? They're like doing that thing where they circle around each other. Oh, don't come near me. Oh my gosh, there's 3 of them now. It's a 3-way. Hi guys, welcome back. I thought that I would film outside today. You can hear a huge bumblebee. I'm not used to being exposed in the elements like this, as you can tell from my skin color. But anyway, today's video is a what's in my travel makeup bag. I did one of these years ago with my good friend Shannon, which you guys probably all know of as ShanXO here on YouTube. That was such a blast from the past, and obviously what I pack in my makeup bag now is totally different. I think we all only pack the best of the best, so to speak, when we travel, because you obviously want to look your best, use products that are reliable, that really suit you. I also try to pack smaller products. So for example, my favorite bronzer by Tom Ford is like the size of my head. You guys have probably seen it. Like, that is not practical for traveling. I hope you guys enjoy seeing what I travel with. This makeup bag is from Ted Baker. I have not taken great care when using this. I just chuck it in my bag. It's got like makeup and stuff on it, but I've had it for a good probably 3 or 4 years. In fact, I think this is even in the last travel makeup bag video. That's how long I've had it. The inside could probably do with like a wipe down, but yeah, I don't think I've once cleaned it. Like, that's how nice that these stay. They're so cute as well. I love the like aesthetic with the little bow. I'd also like to give a big shout out to booking.com for sponsoring this video. They pretty much do everywhere, no matter where you're traveling. I think they have over 1.4 million places to stay around the world, which is crazy. Oh my gosh, I just thought this was a bug. Okay, never mind. As I was saying, there are 6,000 places that you can stay in New Zealand alone, and it's not just hotels and motels either. They also do like holiday homes, lodges, all sorts, like apartments. No matter where you want to stay, pretty much it's going to be on there. So if you guys do want to check that out, you can actually get 40 New Zealand dollars for free just through using my link. It's not an affiliate link because they do like a refer a friend program, so you guys can get just 40 New Zealand dollars. I'm actually loving filming out here. It's so like peaceful. To put some calming music in the background of this video. I'm going to start with lashes. These are the XO Beauty Fantasy lashes. You guys will have seen me wear these all over my page. They are my favorite, and I like traveling with these ones because often I'm traveling for work and I'll have like an event or an appearance or a meeting or something like that, and these are very, very comfortable to wear all day. If you can see the lash band, it's very, very thin and flexible, and I like lashes like that which have sort of chunks, like because it's easy to like cut off the right amount and get them looking even. I have my setting spray. I have lost the lid for this. Like, it really, you won't even be able to see, it's like blowing that way. It smells like a Victoria's Secret body spray. This one just sort of melts my powders together. It doesn't make me look really like shiny. The other spray I travel with is just the Evian. Is that how you say it? Evian. Everyone always goes on about this as a rip-off because it is essentially water in an aerosol can. Sometimes I have such a fast turnaround for an event that I literally have to do my makeup at the airport, in like the bathroom at a hotel, because it's not like check-in's not open yet and that sort of thing. So this is just so nice to pack, and you can just spritz it on there. Also, if you're just lazy and you don't want to get up and go to the sink. Should I do a gift haul from everything from that Sephora event I went to? I'll link the vlog down below if you guys didn't see it. I went to a 2018 showcase of all the new products coming out at Sephora. The gift bag was like an online form. They are literally sending me a box of 60 full-size products from Sephora. So would you guys like me to do an unboxing of that and like a haul? Because I feel like it's going to be such an epic package. My reason for thinking of that, one of the stands there was Beauty Blender, and they had the new teal beauty blenders and stuff, so I have that colour on the way to me. But these are my favourite sponges. They're just the most aerated and the easiest to clean and the bounciest, because I've got quite like sensitive, fragile skin. I feel like I like how they're very squidgy. I have my little disposable razor. I use this to shave my lady mo on the go, like if it's going through. Sometimes I just take like a quad palette, but I have been obsessed with this palette lately, so I have been traveling with it, and as you can see, it fits in the makeup bag fine. I just press it against like the wall of the makeup bag. Kind of goes without saying, it's the Sweet Peach palette. So you want to do a neutral eye, you've got that. If you want to do like a smoky nighttime eye, you've got like the darker colors. And then when I do wear color on my eye, I really like that whole sumptuous olive from a MAC kind of shade. So this one is really pretty, very easy to work with, and it also comes with a mirror, which is awesome. If your hotel only has mirrors that are like glued onto the wall and you need some good lighting, you can just like take this with you and set it up. Optical Illusion Complexion Primer from Urban Decay. When a breakout is like drying out, it's really hard to get foundation to sit nicely on it, to actually have a good coverage and everything. This makes the best barrier, and I also put it on my T-zone. Sorry Benefit, but I prefer it so much to the Professional, and this one definitely needs no introduction. The Hangover Primer, I love to just bounce it on my cheeks and it gives me like a nice radiant finish to my foundation. I'm really enjoying this because I feel like I haven't done a monthly favorites in so long. You guys don't even know what I'm enjoying at the moment. Okay, I'll start with my like second favorite foundation. This is the Shiseido Synchro Skin Glow. I have the shade Neutral 1. You guys can see that. Medium coverage buildable foundation. Shiseido is a brand I'm really enjoying. I think I have one of their blushes packed in here as well. This is beautiful. If I was just going on an actual holiday like with friends, I would only pack this. And then for like work, if I want a full coverage. Firstly, what is this packaging? It looks like actual paint, so bye, like that's not cute, but it is so good. It pretty much is paint for your face. First time I ever tried it, I used a brush and that was just like cake, but I like to just dot it on my face and use a damp beauty blender. It is so beautiful. Fullest coverage that I found to date. It doesn't look as cakey because it's got a really nice finish. I picked this up from makeup.co.nz because they have overnight delivery and they have all the shades on there. It is like the best. It's so good, and I do have an affiliate link for makeup.co.nz down below if you guys want to use it and support me. I would very much appreciate it. For those wondering, my natural skin color is 208 and my fake tan shade is 218. I always pack my Tarte Shape Tape concealer because I actually use this to conceal the lids. This is the shade Fair Neutral. RCMA powder, this is the bomb. For me it's a lot nicer than the Laura Mercier. It's a little bit lighter, which is of course nice for under the eyes. I think it's a lot cheaper. The packaging leaves a lot to be desired. It looks like a spice rack thing and it just like kind of goes everywhere. I have to just tip it onto a desk and then like do my makeup with it, which always looks like I am doing rails of cocaine in the hotel. Like I always think that when housekeeping comes in, there's just like little bits of white powder everywhere. This is the Tom Ford shade in Illuminate palette. This one's kind of big, but I've been so in love with it. I still take it traveling, like compared to my face. It's like face reference. I don't know. I used to always contour with brushes, cream contour, and it would like all move around and I'd be like, this is too advanced for me. But this one is so easy. You just like put your sponge in it. As you can see, it's well loved. I'm really getting into their stuff, but it's so expensive, which sucks. I love the liquid liner. I tried Shannon's one, but they didn't sell it at duty free. Here's the blush I was telling you guys about. This is the Luminizing Satin Face Color by Shiseido. You can see the little brand there. Sorry about my nails, still haven't got them done. I'm getting them done on Monday. The other blush shade I got, it's almost like a white with a very slight pearly baby pink, and it actually works really well kind of using it like a banana powder. Like sometimes I just put it under my eyes and it looks so pretty. I can like almost contour with it, which sounds weird because it's pink, but when you're this fair, like often using a blush here can give you that really contoured look if you're just going for like natural makeup. It's the shade RD103. I wish they would name their product something cute. I just have the Misha eyeliner at the moment. I would really like to get that Tom Ford one. I just haven't been able to find it. They might actually have it on Mecca. Brows, I really switch up my routine quite a bit, but at the moment I've just been using brow pencil, Precisely My Brow from Benefit. I've also been packing the Zoeva graphic brows to just sort of fill in my eyebrows a bit closer together with this one. They just look a little bit far apart, like they're kind of wanting to reach out to each other. They're like, hello. Clear eyebrow gel. I've got like travel size roller lashes, but I always pack roller lash because it gives a nice amount of curl. Hair tie, self-explanatory. These are the Mecca Cosmetica ones and I very much like them. Sometimes those spring-loaded ones like do nothing, whereas this one does actually curl. They don't stab into anything because they've got a little sleeve on them. Tweezers from Mecca. I got sent that as like a set, but it's actually really good. Duo for my lashes. NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cairo. I still travel with this. I love it. Dior Addict Lip Glow in 05 Lilac. You guys can see I get good use out of this. I do also pack a more like intensive formula lip balm in my just toiletries bag for like nighttime. I bought this at the NYX store in Wellington when I did a meetup there. Was it Wellington? No, it was Christchurch, sorry. This is the shade Nude. probably could have guessed that one. Nowadays when I wear Cairo, I do wear a gloss over it because I feel like I can pull off a gloss better these days. This is 508 Lip Maestro. That's like the line, I guess. Giorgio Armani. It's so pretty. If I'm just wearing Cairo or like a really matte lip color, even wearing no makeup, I like to put this one on. It's the Rosy Plump from Lancome. So beautiful. It's got like a rosy pepperminty scent and it's not too intensive that it makes your lips like hurt. I love this lipstick. It's number 49 Liaison. I'm pretty sure they've stopped making it, but it's just like the perfect everyday color. So effortless. That is the inside of my bag. You can see there's like some miscellaneous spillages in there. Leave me a comment of something that's not in my travel makeup bag that you think that I need, like something that you love. If you are traveling soon, I'll have my booking.com link down below. You may as well use it and get a free $40. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next video and in the comment section. Bye.